Recently in the news, INS Sindhu Kirti is A. Submarine, B. Stealth frigate, C. Indigenously developed radar, D. Coastal patrol boat. Solution A. Which of the following best describes the objective of Mosaic mission? A. Studying the impact of climate change on the Arctic and how it could affect the rest of the world. B. Study Saturn's moon Titan for origins and signs of life. C. Studying Mars's interior structure to know about the early formation of rocky planets in our inner solar system. D. To reveal the story of Jupiter's formation and evolution. Solution A. After 18 years of research, Indian and Australian scientists, in a collaborative effort, have recently identified a new gene called NAPRT1 directly linked to A. AIDS, B. Tuberculosis, C. Diabetes mellitus, D. Schizophrenia. Solution D. Which of the following comes under the 10-point vision for the decade presented by the Finance Minister? 1. Blue economy. 2. Team India with Jan Bhagidari. 3. Digital India. 4. Space programs. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 4 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. All of the above. Solution D. Recently in news, eMasiha is related to A. It is an application developed by the Indian Hajj Mission in Saudi Arabia to store online the health status and medical history of visiting Hajj pilgrims. B. Digitizing internal workflows and processes of hospitals, enabling efficient and online delivery of healthcare services across India. C. It is an internet-based survey records data directory of the state of Assam. D. A mobile application to support the professional communication and collaboration needs of entire police department of the state of Telangana. Solution A. With reference to Right Livelihood Award, consider the following statements. 1. Swedish climate activist Greta Thunberg was among 4 people named as the winners of Right Livelihood Award 2019. 2. It honors courageous people and organizations offering solutions to the root causes of global problems that the prize founder felt were being ignored by the Nobel Prizes. 3. The 4 laureates will receive a cash award of 2 million Swedish crowns each. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Solution A. With reference to voluntary code of ethics by social media platforms recently released in India, consider the following statements. 1. No political campaign will be allowed to be run on social media platforms in the last 48 hours before polling ends. 2. This period is referred to as silence period to allow voters take a considered decision without the heat and dust of campaign on whom to vote. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Solution C. With reference to the Caribbean Community and Common Market or CARICOM, consider the following statements. 1. It is an economic and political community which was established in 2010. 2. Recently, Prime Minister of India announced the setting up of the Regional Centre for Excellence in Information Technology in Georgetown, Guyana. 3. PM Modi announced a USD 14 million grant for community development projects in the CARICOM. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 2 only. Solution B. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Awards 2019, the highest multidisciplinary science awards in India, is given by A. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research or CSIR. B. The Defense Research and Development Organization or DRDO. C. Indian Science Congress Association. D. The Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Solution A. According to India TB Report 2019, which of the following was the only state to witness a decline in the number of notified cases of tuberculosis or TB in 2018? A. Bihar. B. Gujarat. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Odisha. Solution D.